Hi everyone, Dan from Arcade Revival. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you everyone our two-player arcade machines. These are the ones that the step-by-step guide will make you as well. So this is exactly what the guide will create. I just want to take the opportunity to show you how to use some of the menus, components used, generally just a bit of a tour of what's going on inside and how to start it up so you can start playing some of your favorite games. So let's take a look. First of all, let's bring it out. Have a look inside. Okay, this is the guts of everything. So I've got a monitor. This one's powered by Pandora 9800 preloaded games. You can do the custom emulator as well to load your own games. This is a pretty straightforward setup. Plug and play. I've got a power board here, which fans are USB powered. And then we've got our other power points, so that powers the monitor and the amp, and some speakers, and the marquee is lit up through the back there. All the wiring is cable managed and goes exactly where it needs to go. As for the power, that goes straight through, and we decided to put a switch on this one. This basic C14 power switch makes it convenient and adds that nice professional finish. The amp is adjustable, got bass, treble and volume. There's also volume on this unit here, and this is powered by HDMI at the moment. You can power by VGA as well. All your buttons are plugged into this 40-pin connector for a two-player, and they all have access to the control panel, joysticks, and buttons housed underneath. Easy to take out and in if you do any modifications. These screws on the top, but that is basically everything inside. Little lock it up. Thermo fans keep everything cool. Let's fire it up and go through the menus. So to start it up, I'm just going to come into the back, plug cable in, switch it on. Okay, it does a funky little boot up sequence, then you'll be taken straight to the menu. This is the Pandora DX2, the preloaded games menu. There's 9,800 games on here. Now, you can scroll through and pick your games, and to start, you just press, there's A, B, C, D, E, F. That's how we've wired it up underneath. You've got your one player, coin button, pause, and two-player button. Now, once you're here, the best thing to do is hit player one. It'll come up with some extra little menus where you can have a search. You can select, there's a bunch of 3D games like Tekken and Mortal Kombat 3D, things like that. And you can search via genre. You've got action, fighting, some 3 and 4 player games, which if you can do extend the cabinet, that's for another video. Some shooting games like top-down, classics, sports, and puzzle. If you wanted to go to some of these shooting games, you just hit A, and then you just make your way through the menu. And if you wanted to play a game, you just, the one you want to play, press A, and the game will load up. Once it's loaded, you can press start, and you're off. All right, if you're in the middle of a game, say you want to exit, you press pause over here, and then you can continue or exit. It has some save state menus. So if you want to save a state, you can go in and press A, OK, and then whenever you want to load that, you come back to the game, press pause, and you can load that state, and it'll go exactly from where you were taken off before. Okay, that saves everything when you turn it off. It has a memory as well, so that's a handy feature. This console also saves all your high scores. So if you turn it off, it has your high scores saved in the memory, which is a cool feature also. Say you wanted to search a title, press the player one again. Also, whenever you hit this, it will show up all your recent games that you've played. So if you click A again, it'll show all the games that you've had accessed in the past. So that's handy because it kind of keeps your favorites there. Okay, so in order to search one, you press player 1 again, press search A, and then you just simply use the menu. So say we wanted Mortal Kombat, it will populate as you go. So you can generally just type a few letters in, go OK, and you've got all your different Mortal Kombat versions. You've got a whole lot of different world, coin ones, arcade versions, console ones, you name it, they're on here. As soon as you want to play, just same thing. Hit A and you're off. Anytime you're in a game, you could hit the 2-player option. You can do this while it's running, just like you did in the arcade. You can run off a 2-player. Say you're on this menu, 1 player. And you can play 2-player. Okay, and then fairly straightforward. Same thing, you can go by genre, action. Say you want to play Metal Slug. Press the 1 player to start.
Mission 1, start. Machine gun.
Yeah, if anytime you're in the game, you press player 1, it'll give you an extra life. The coin does the same button when you're in the gameplay. Okay, want to bring a second player on? Press the 2-player, and you got 2 of them in there, and you're off. Okay, got a little bit heated. Each game also comes with a video menu preview, so you can go through the menu and have a look at each one. Gives you a bit of an idea what you're in for. Definitely helps with the selection. It's a great option to have a video preview, and it's as simple as that. Tap of a button, thousands of games at your disposal, ready to play for hours on end. It's time for me to play some games. Oh.
Hang on, April.